get full.
You look skinny.
Me?
Yeah.
Ew.
What do you mean, ew?
Don't say that.
Skinny but muscular.
Ew, that's too bad.
Chinese.
Why are you laughing? That's your arm, I'm sorry. Hey, where's your scar?
You're really abusive, muscular, skinny woman. Don't make fun of me because of my size. You remember that episode, Dolly?
No, he doesn't. He's not caught up with it.
Seriously? All these years?
What?
What is he watching? What are you watching?
What are you doing?
Recording.
From when were you recording?
When I called you a skinny, muscular person?
And I was hitting dollars?
Yeah.
You...
I've got record of it that you're abusive.
I'm gonna get a lawyer.
Where's Waldo?
Where's my dog, Sicko? Oh, it's the same color, too.
What?
His dog is white. My dog is white.
Waldo has a dog?
Yeah.
Wow, I learned something new today.
Not very informative, but okay.
Don't make fun of me because of my size.